Hi, my name is Will Mudge with Speedcast. Today I want to talk about our utility enclosure. Now, since we've been deploying Starlinks from the very beginning, a lot of concern has been brought up about the cabling that goes along with Starlink. So we've been deploying a lot of these utility enclosures, as many of you have. We've decided to productize one so that it has all the features and things that you need as you go through these deployments, like cable seals and power strips. So today I want to go through this one and show you what it's made of. When you get our utility enclosure, you'll see that it's a sealed system so that it keeps the rainwater out. You can't just buy a box that's just sealed. Those are easy to get. These ones also includes a vent as well as 4 cable seals here in the bottom to make sure that we can pass our electronics through that we need. There's also ready mounting locations. There's these 2 bolts pre-drilled with fasteners for your Starlink power supply. So I have my Starlink router in my case ready to be mounted and configured. So the first thing I need is my Starlink cable for my antenna. So I have my antenna over here. You'll notice that we have these nice seals on the bottom of it that are all pre-installed and ready for use. We have 4 of them on the bottom, and I'll show you why in a minute. One of them is pre-drilled for the Starlink antenna. For the sake of the video, I'm not going to use it and not use the rubber grommet that comes with it. We have a couple of different sizes, as well as the hole punches to go with them, and instructions on how to cut those out so that you can match your pieces coming in, and I'll show you that in a second. So the Starlink will go through the one that's pre-drilled, go into your Starlink router, and then install into your enclosure and snap in place. Now we also have our power strip mounted inside of it. It's got an on-off switch, surge protection, but more importantly for this application, it has a plug on the bottom. It comes with this IEC plug that you can put your own electrical cable to be able to connect up to the power here. Now this is important because we don't want to use this power cable from Starlink. It's the same material as the antenna cable, which we have our concerns around. So we'll just mount the Starlink power strip. Now you have protection on off, you can get a circuit breaker, and you can run your own power cable through one of these grommets, which is why these are undrilled. They need to have your size of cable to go through it. And then you will have your power coming on certified cable into the assembly. Now the other one that you need is your Ethernet, right? The cables are not long enough for Ethernet. So we have an adapter to be able to marry up the Starlink Ethernet to your Ethernet cable. So you'll bring your Ethernet cable through as well, and I'll show you the close-up on how to do this in just a second. Inside in our kit is an Ethernet to Ethernet adapter. So as you can see, you can take these 2 ends off, and this will allow for the Ethernet to plug in coming from your ship with your certified cable to the Starlink. This will join your Starlink from an IP perspective. And this is our Speedcast Starlink utility enclosure. This will provide a nice secure solution for your Starlink to keep it safe from the elements.